how to add Wix Pro Gallery. So I've just logged into my Wix account here, and from the home page I've clicked on Edit Site, which has loaded up my Wix website editor. Now if we want to add Wix Pro Gallery to our website, all we have to do is use the search bar here in the top right corner, and we're going to search for Pro Gallery, which will directly navigate us to the Pro Gallery section if we click on this. Now you will be able to see the different Pro Galleries here, and you can choose one that you like the most. So for example, Showcase here, which basically creates a slideshow, and I'm just going to click on it or add this by dragging and dropping it onto my Wix website, and I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So as you can see, it takes a little bit of time to appear on our Wix website, but basically we can click on Manage Media here, and we can change the pictures for the different slides here. So for example, if I want to replace this first image, I'll click on Replace Image, and it's going to take me to the media dashboard here. And let's say I want to replace it with this image. I'll just highlight it and I'll add this to the page. And as you can see, the first image has been replaced. Now we can repeat the same process for all of these other images, and we can also readjust the position. So for example, I just changed this from the 3rd slot to the 5th slot. And basically after we're done with this, we can click on Done here, and if we go to settings here, we can also, like I said, manage the different media. We can change the layout here of this gallery. We can change the different settings as well as the design here. Now that's basically it. You can change this to your liking, and you can create a slideshow using Wix Pro Galleries. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.